BJP government in Odisha, led by Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi, completed 1 year in office on Thursday. To mark the occasion, the government presented a report card highlighting key achievements including agriculture reforms, women empowerment initiatives and education advancements under the guidance of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. A plane has crashed in a residential area of Meghani Nagar in Gujarat's Ahmedabad. The state police control room confirmed that the flight was carrying 242 passengers. The Odisha government has launched a new initiative called Vikash Bahan. The primary objective of the initiative is to showcase the state government's achievements over the past year and raise public awareness about its various welfare programs, policies and achievements. Odisha strengthens air connectivity with new direct Indigo flights linking Bhubaneswar to Abu Dhabi and Visakhapatnam. Odisha Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi flagged off the maiden flight from Biju Patnaik International Airport at 9:35 a.m. In the wake of group tension prevailing after the death of a cow protection activist, internet services have been suspended for 24 hours in 5 regions of Bhadrak district. The suspension of internet services will be effective from 6 a.m. today until 6 a.m. tomorrow. Donald Trump has officially launched the Gold Card immigration program, offering wealthy foreigners $5 million pathway to US residency. The initiative, unveiled through the trumpcard.gov website, is marketed as a premium alternative to the EB-5 investor visa, providing green card privileges plus. The Japanese Defense Ministry on Wednesday said that the Chinese military aircraft, which took off from the aircraft carrier Shandong, had a near miss with a Japanese patrol plane over international waters in the Pacific and urged Beijing to avoid any such recurrence. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has lauded India's young investors for their pivotal role in advancing technology and driving the nation's self-reliance. PM Modi also remarked that over the past 11 years, leveraging the power of technology has brought innumerable benefits for the people of India. Violence erupted in West Bengal's Maheshtala following a dispute over the setting up of a shop which escalated into communal clashes. The incident took place in Rabindranagar, South 24 Parganas, where tensions flared after allegations of a Shiva temple being vandalized.